I would like to firstly extend my sincere gratitude to Sumit and Dr. Krupali Tapu for inviting me to this prestigious event. As one of the 3 Deputy Prime Ministers of Fiji, I am humbled to be in the presence of some of the most brilliant minds in the field of pediatric cardiology. Although I am not a medical professional, I am here to reaffirm the coalition government's commitment to improving health of our nation and to enhance the quality of medical services available to our people, and also ensure the Sai Prema Foundation that going forward we will certainly lend our support to your initiatives. Today marks an historic moment for Fiji and the South Pacific region as we host the Global Paediatric Cardiac Conference. It is encouraging to see the commitment of everyone present here today to raise awareness about the alarming incidence rates of pediatric cardiac disease in Fiji and in the Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, through the keynote addresses and the breakout sessions, this conference will create a sustainable and defined pathway for treatment of children in Fiji and the Pacific through the Sai Sanjeevani Children's Hospital. I commend the incredible work done by the Sai Prema Foundation Fiji, which has served our nation with numerous healthcare, education, nutrition, and social service projects. The establishment of the South Pacific's first super specialty hospital is the pinnacle of their contributions to our nation. This $25 million state-of-the-art pediatric center, or cardiac super facility center, I was told that if it was built commercially, it would probably be 60 million or something, has been treating children born with congenital heart disease. Prior to its opening, there were no pediatric cardiac facilities available in Fiji or the Pacific, and overseas treatment was unaffordable. I am told that the hospital does not have a billing counter, and all surgeries and treatments are done completely free of cost. It is a matter of great pride that Fiji is the first nation in the Pacific and the Oceania region to have such a hospital. And I'd like to again thank the Sai Prema Foundation, the Tapu family, and also the doctors who are here today for assisting in this great endeavor. I am also, it's inspiring to see that the conference has attracted globally renowned and leading pediatric cardiac surgeons and specialists from all over the world. I would like to extend a warm welcome to Professor Kalangos from Turkey, Dr. Ignacio from Argentina, and of course, Dr. Sean Shetty from the USA, and the keynote speakers from around the world who will participate today. I would also like to personally, on behalf of the government, express my gratitude to the incredible 21-member team who are here from the USA, Australia, New Zealand, India, and Oman, led by Dr. Shetty. Thank you for coming to Fiji and for saving lives of so many children, giving them life-saving heart surgeries, and of course, giving them the gift of life. To all the delegates present here today, whether in person or participating virtually, I wish you all the best. I urge you to seize this opportunity to learn as much as you can from the brilliant minds in pediatric cardiology who are here to share their years of experience and knowledge. Last but not least, again, I extend my gratitude to the director of the Sai Sanjeevani Hospital, Dr. Krupali, for honoring me with the invitation to be here today. As we all know, governments can't do it alone. It requires the collaboration of various stakeholders to lift standards and achieve excellence. The coalition government, who I'm honored to represent here today, have found such a partner in the Sai Prema Foundation and the Sai Sanjeevani Children's Hospital. And we look forward to working together to serve the people of Fiji and hopefully start seeing some children from the Pacific as well. In closing, I wish you all a fruitful deliberations and again commend the Sai Prema Foundation Fiji and the Sai Sanjeevani Children's Hospital of Fiji for being true ambassadors in loving all and serving all. And thank you very much.
Honourable Deputy Prime Minister, I'd just like to add